You fat lord, come here. Eat it all. You gotta get big, strong. Gosh, freaking idiot. Here's some more. Freaking fat. Here, eat some too. Here, pet. Gosh, fatty. No, give me my spoon. This winter, I went with my cousin Arnold, and I roped this grizzly bear, and I tied him down.
But don't grizzly bears hibernate?
No, this was a non-hibernational grizzly bear.
Weren't you scared?
I'm not scared of anything. Gosh, things freaks me out, man. Powers of the Falcon, come to me. Ah! Hey, Gabe, you think you could come buck me real quick? Alright, slow down, man! Slow down! Oh, man! Oh, stop it, man! You freaking idiot! Oh! God. My back hurts, man. Hey, man. Freaking idiot. That was totally mine. God.
Hey, you want some apple juice?
Why don't you want it?
Well, it's because I don't want it. I'm asking you.
Why is it warm?
Well, it's been out all day.
Oh, dude. Why is it salty?
It's you never had organic apple
Freaking
juice?
idiot, man. I just drank pee. Oh, that's disgusting. Hey, Joe. Look at my Zelda edition knife from an elephant tusk.
It's cool.
Pretty cool, huh? I'll let you touch it, but it's razor sharp. Is that your gum?
Yeah.
Want to see how fast I can run?
Sure. He's fast.
Keep going!
Did I ever tell you about the first time I rode a horse? It was me and my friend Steven, and it was at this old Amish barn. And these guys said they had this really crazy stallion from Nigeria. And I said, I'll ride it. And then when I got on it, he started bucking real bad. But I never grabbed the horn, I just held my reins, and I kept riding him in circles. I was probably on him for like, I don't know, 33 minutes. And then I tamed him. I wasn't even wearing any shoes. It was just bare feet, spirit to spirit. And I really felt the connection. And that's when I knew that I was exposed to be a cowboy. And now that horse is my best friend. He died 3 days ago. I'm pretty tough.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool.
As far as the rays of the sunshine today, my love burns for you. I'll never turn away. I
Why not?
It's vintage. Look at it. It's an 84 Riviera. You can get in it if you want. It's pretty sweet.
What are you doing out here?
Don't worry about it. Got big plans, big business plans. Gonna make the NFR. See? That's a healer.
Watch it, man. My new boots.
Why don't you just get out of here, Willie?
Gosh, whatever.
Hey!
Hello?
Would you like to look like this?
This is a picture of a woman.
Well, for a limited time only at Joe's Cuts, you could receive 75% off a haircut.
No thanks, I already get my hair cut at the cutting corral.
Well, could I interest you in some of these limited edition bull riding gloves?
What's this for?
I'm trying to get money for rodeo entry fees.
Mom enters rodeos.